Yorana Maeva, Mānava, welcome to Speak the Reo Tahiti in 8 weeks beginner level 1. The place to learn the Tahitian language efficiently and quickly with a small group of people who failed to learn Tahitian language on their own. My name is Moina Rivera. I will be your host, your language coach for the next 8 weeks. I have helped English speakers from all over the world learning Tahitian language, speaking Tahitian language, and understand Tahitian language with my online courses. I was born and raised in Tahiti, moved here in California, and now have a family. I have 2 beautiful daughters, married to an American, and I spent years sharing my culture, my native language to my own family. Soon, I realized there was a need out there. Many people approached me as they wanted to learn the Reo Tahiti as well, like my family. And today, I am very thrilled to spend the next 8 weeks with you so we can learn the beautiful language of Tahiti. One lesson at a time, I will help you master your Tahitian pronunciation. I will break down the most important phrases you need to learn first. That's very important. I created multiple lessons to help you succeed at learning the Reo Tahiti. And at the end of this course, you'll be able to introduce yourself all in Tahitian. You will learn how to introduce yourself in Tahitian, how to introduce your family, how to tell us about what you do in life, your job, how to say phrases like I like, I don't like, how to tell time, space, and location in your phrases, and even how to have a very simple conversation in Tahitian. So if you do the work seriously, you can start speaking Tahitian as early as 7 days. It has been proven. Let me tell you, it did. But you gotta do the work, okay? You gotta do the work. Now, it is time for me to ask you to do exactly 2 things, okay? Number 1, get super excited. Yes, get ready because this is a massive opportunity. It is hard to find Tahitian language courses for English speakers. Let me tell you, I spent years looking for them. No one has ever done this before. I have done this for quite some time and the results are incredible. Number 2, I want you to focus on 3 things. Prepare yourself, take action, and share your results. Okay? Why am I asking you to focus on these 3 things? It is because this course, this group coaching will have no value if you don't practice, if you don't take action. And for that, you need to focus on these 3 things, okay? Preparing yourself, number 1, which means getting ready mentally, equipping yourself, and setting your goals. That's very important. Number 2, take action, which means establish a routine, be consistent, practice every single day for a period of time, very short time. And number 3, share your results by involving your friends, your family, and by your surrounding, anybody you think of, okay? Surround yourself with good people. Then share your success on social media and celebrate. Celebration is an important step as it will give you more confidence and more motivation. Whether you have done this before or on your own, and if you have tried many times before and failed, well, my friend, I am convinced this course will help you. But remember, this course has no value if you don't do the work. Do the work. For now, let's just agree, you and me right now, we're going to jump into this with 2 feet. Let's do it together. I provide you the content, you provide me the action. Deal? I am so wildly excited for you to dive into this amazing course. I've seen what this course has done for my previous students, and I can't wait to present this to you. And with that, I am Moina Rivera, CEO and co-founder of POLY-lingual. On behalf of my team at POLY-lingual, we cannot wait to see what you get done here. maruru mate e, maruru wharur ame, af aitetoan e tātou paurua, te aroha iarhe. Maruru, nana!